Did you know that over 70 million Americans have a side hustle? It's not just a trend, it's a movement toward financial independence. We live in an era where relying on a single source of income is becoming a thing of the past. People everywhere are finding innovative ways to boost their financial security by starting side hustles. Small ventures they can work on in their spare time that have the potential to transform their lives. Whether it's to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or even quit a 9-to-5 job. Side hustles are the new wave of financial freedom in the U.S. The gig economy is booming, and the opportunity to earn extra cash has never been more accessible. In fact, a survey conducted in 2023 found that over 45% of adults in the United States are juggling some kind of side hustle. And for good reason. Imagine making an extra $500 to $1,000 a month or more, without sacrificing the flexibility of your time. Whether you're looking for something with no skills required, or a creative outlet that can turn into a full-time business, this video is for you. The power of extra income. Side hustles aren't just about making ends meet. They're about unlocking potential, creating financial security, and chasing bigger dreams. Think of all the possibilities. Reducing financial stress, paying off student loans, funding your dream vacation, or even replacing your main income down the road. You might have heard stories of people who started delivering groceries or working as virtual assistants and ended up turning their side gigs into six-figure businesses. The beauty of a side hustle is that it's what you make of it. Whether you need an extra $300 a month or you're aiming for $3,000, the possibilities are endless. But here's the key. Starting is what matters. In this video, we're going to break down 15 incredible side hustle ideas that you can start today. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a full-time employee, or even a student, there's a side hustle here for you. We'll cover ideas that require minimal skills, ones that offer creative outlets, and those with high earning potential that could eventually replace your main income. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only have ideas but also actionable steps to start your side hustle today and take control of your financial future. Side hustles with minimal skills required. 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the easiest side hustles to start, especially if you enjoy writing or have a knack for storytelling. You don't need a journalism degree to get started. All you need is a way with words and the willingness to learn how to start. Start by setting up profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or the Medium Partner Program. Many companies and individuals are looking for freelance writers for blog posts, product descriptions, newsletters, and more. Even with zero experience, you can start with small jobs and work your way up. Take Holly Johnson, for example. She went from writing part-time on weekends to earning over $200,000 a year as a freelance writer. Her secret: consistency and honing her craft. Whether you're writing articles, editing web content, or ghostwriting books, the opportunities are endless. Steps to get started. Set up an online profile on freelancing platforms. Create a few writing samples or start a blog to showcase your skills. Pitch clients daily. Even if you start with smaller jobs, continuously improve your skills by reading and writing more. Freelance writing isn't just a way to make a few $100s. It can be the start of a lucrative career if you stick with it too. Rideshare driving, Uber, Lyft. If you have a car and enjoy meeting new people, driving for Uber or Lyft is one of the most flexible side hustles out there. You can drive whenever you want, making it perfect for people with unpredictable schedules. Potential earnings. Drivers typically earn between $15 and $30 an hour, depending on the city and peak times. Plus, the tips can make a huge difference in your earnings. Some drivers even manage to turn this side hustle into a full-time gig by driving during peak hours and focusing on high-demand areas, maximizing profits. Drive during peak hours like weekends, rush hours, and holidays. Use both Uber and Lyft to minimize downtime between rides. Focus on areas where demand is highest, such as downtown, airports, or during big events. Real-life story. A driver named John in New York City managed to pay off $30,000 in debt within a year by driving part-time with Uber. He used the extra cash to build up his emergency fund and eventually fund his own business. Driving for Uber or Lyft is perfect if you enjoy the flexibility of making money on your own terms. Food delivery, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub. If ride-sharing isn't your thing but you still enjoy driving, food delivery could be a great alternative. Platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub have made it easier than ever to make extra cash by delivering food to hungry customers. Flexibility and earnings. Similar to ride-sharing, you can set your own schedule. On average, delivery drivers earn between $15 and $25 an hour, If you deliver in high-demand areas and at peak times, you can earn even more with tips efficiency. Tips work during lunch or dinner rushes when demand is higher. Use multiple apps at the same time to minimize waiting. Deliver in densely populated areas for more frequent orders. For example, a delivery driver named Jessica in Los Angeles uses multiple apps simultaneously, working only 3 hours a day and still making over $1,000 a month. If you're looking for a side hustle with minimal commitment and decent pay, food delivery is worth considering. Side hustles that build long-term wealth. Real estate wholesaling. Real estate wholesaling is a hidden gem for people who want to get into real estate without owning any property. The best part, it doesn't require a ton of capital up front. How it works. As a wholesaler, your job is to find undervalued properties, get them under contract with the seller, and then assign that contract to a buyer for a fee. Your profit comes from the difference between what you negotiated with the seller and the price the buyer is willing to pay. Success story. Take the example of Jerry Norton, who started wholesaling real estate and built a 6-figure income by finding distressed properties, negotiating prices, and assigning contracts to cash buyers. Steps to start. Research local real estate markets, network with real estate investors and agents. Learn how to find motivated sellers such as homeowners in foreclosure or probate. Real estate wholesaling can become a full-time business once you learn the ropes and build a network of buyers and sellers. 5. Stock photography. If you have a talent for photography, stock photography can be a great way to make passive income by selling your images online. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow photographers to upload their work, which is then sold to businesses, websites, and designers. How it works. Each time someone downloads your photo, you earn a commission. The key is to create images that are in demand. Think lifestyle, business, medical, and travel photography. Success tips. Focus on niche markets, such as healthcare or technology, where the demand for stock photos is high. Upload consistently and build a portfolio over time. Make sure to include keywords and descriptions to help your images get discovered. Stock photography is perfect if you're looking for a side hustle that generates passive income over time. You can take photos on weekends and earn royalties for years. Side hustles for the creatively inclined. 6. YouTube channel creation. YouTube has become one of the most popular platforms for creators to turn their passions into a side hustle, or even a full-time business. Whether you love talking about tech, cooking, fitness, or finance, there's an audience for nearly every niche. How to get started. Starting a YouTube channel is simple. Choose a niche, create content consistently, and engage with your audience. Over time, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products. Success story. Graham Stephan, a real estate agent, started a YouTube channel to share tips about personal finance. Today, he makes millions from his YouTube channel. In addition to his real estate business steps to start, pick a niche you're passionate about, create a content schedule, and stick to it. Use platforms like Canva for thumbnails and TubeBuddy for SEO. YouTube isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistency and passion, it can turn into a major source of income. 7. Handmade products. Etsy. Do you enjoy making crafts, jewelry, or home decor? If so, selling your handmade products on Etsy could be the perfect side hustle. Etsy is a global marketplace that allows you to reach customers looking for unique, handmade items. How to get started. Set up a shop on Etsy and start listing your products. Take high-quality photos, write detailed descriptions, and make sure your pricing reflects the time and effort you put into each item. With the right marketing, you can turn your hobby into a profitable side hustle. Success story. Take the story of Alicia Schaffer, who started selling handmade scarves on Etsy as a side hustle. She now earns over $70,000 per month through her Etsy store alone. Her success comes from offering high-quality, unique products and building a loyal customer base. Steps to start. Choose a product niche you're passionate about, such as jewelry, home decor, or personalized gifts. Set up an Etsy shop and use tools like Etsy SEO to get your products noticed. Market your shop on social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to drive traffic. Etsy is an excellent platform for creative entrepreneurs looking to monetize their skills while connecting with a community of like-minded artisans. Side hustles that can become full-time careers. Social media management. With businesses relying more on social media for their marketing efforts, The demand for social media managers has skyrocketed. If you enjoy using platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, social media management could be the perfect side hustle. How to get started? Start by approaching small businesses that need help with their social media presence. Offer to create content, schedule posts, and engage with followers. Over time, you can build a portfolio and start charging higher rates as you gain experience. Success story. Take Ashley Mason, for example. She started as a freelance social media manager, helping local businesses with their online presence. Within a year, she had enough clients to quit her full-time job and start her own agency. Steps to start. Learn the basics of social media marketing, including content creation, analytics, and scheduling tools like Hootsuite. Approach small businesses in your area, offering a free trial or discounted rate to get your foot in the door. Build a portfolio of successful campaigns to showcase your work. With dedication, social media management can evolve from a side hustle into a lucrative career, with the potential to scale into a full-blown agency. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Blogging has been around for years, but it's still one of the best side hustles for those who enjoy writing and sharing knowledge. While it may take time to build a successful blog, it can generate passive income through ads and affiliate marketing. How to start? Choose a niche that interests you, whether it's personal finance, travel, or fitness. Start a blog on platforms like WordPress or Squarespace, and focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that solves a problem for your audience. Monetizing your blog. Once you have traffic coming to your site, you can monetize it through affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting products or services. You can also add Google AdSense to earn money through ad placements. Success story. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, the creator of the blog Making Sense of Sense, started her blog as a side hustle while working as a financial analyst. Today, she earns over $100,000 a month from her blog through affiliate marketing and sponsored posts. Steps to start. Choose a niche you're passionate about. Write consistent, high-quality content. Learn SEO to drive traffic to your site. Apply for affiliate programs and add links to your posts. Blogging is a long-term side hustle, but with perseverance and the right strategies, it can turn into a highly profitable venture. Side hustles with high earning potential. Virtual assistant services. The demand for virtual assistants, VAs, has exploded in recent years as more entrepreneurs and small businesses go remote. Virtual assistants provide support with administrative tasks, social media management, email marketing, and more. Skills needed. You don't need advanced technical skills to become a virtual assistant, but strong organizational and communication skills are a must. Common tasks include email management, scheduling, social media posting, and customer service. How to get clients. You can start by offering your services to small business owners or entrepreneurs in your network. Platforms like Upwork and Belay are also great places to find VA jobs. Success story. Kayla Sloan started her virtual assistant business as a side hustle while working full-time. Within a year, she was earning 6 figures and working with multiple clients. Today, she runs a full VA coaching business and teaches others how to build successful VA careers. Steps to start. Identify your skills and the services you can offer. Create a profile on freelancing platforms or approach small businesses directly. Start with a few clients and grow your business as you gain experience. With the right clients, virtual assisting can turn into a high-paying side hustle or even a full-time business. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase from your store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, eliminating the need for warehousing and upfront inventory costs. How to get started. Choose a niche or product category. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Partner with suppliers through apps like Oberlo or Salehoo, which connect you with manufacturers. Market your store through social media ads, SEO, or influencer marketing. Success story. Many entrepreneurs have found success with dropshipping, like Sarah Crisp, who built a successful dropshipping business while working a full-time job. She now earns a 6-figure income through her store and shares tips with other aspiring dropshippers. Steps to start. Choose a niche with demand, such as pet products, home goods, or fitness gear. Set up an e-commerce store and integrate it with dropshipping suppliers. Use digital marketing strategies to drive traffic to your store. With low startup costs and the ability to automate much of the process, dropshipping is a great way to enter the world of e-commerce without the financial risk. Conclusion. Recap. We've just covered 15 different side hustle ideas that can help you take control of your financial future. From freelance writing and food delivery to social media management and dropshipping, there's something for everyone, no matter your skills, experience, or time constraints. Here's the bottom line. Starting a side hustle isn't just about making extra money. It's about unlocking new opportunities, reducing financial stress, and even pursuing your passions. Small steps today can lead to big rewards tomorrow, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a dream vacation, or replacing your main income altogether. So, what's stopping you? Pick one of these side hustles, take that first step, and start today. Whether you're looking for a little extra cash or dreaming of quitting your 9-to-5 job, the journey begins with just one small action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ideas and tips on building your financial future. We'd love to hear which side hustle you're excited to try, so drop it in the comments below. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.